So here third is the ring or circular topology. In this topology, if we are having number of electronic devices like PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4 and PC5, all the electronic devices are having their two cables. For example, if I talk about PC number 2, this PC number 2 is having two cables. One is being joined onto PC number 3rd and one is being joined onto PC number 1. And for PC number 5, one is being joined to PC number 4 and one is being joined to PC number 1. So all electronic devices are having their two ports of connection with other two electronic devices. In this type of topology, this type of arrangement will create a circular formation. So this type of topology also known as circular topology, or it's creating a ring like form. So it's a ring topology. Both names are same for this type of topology. So in this topology, what are advantages when we are connecting or when we are making a pattern of such type of topology for electronic devices? In such type of topology, there could not be any type of traffic jam when signals are passing in this particular network. So it means that because of only one cable is going from one system to another system, so no any other traffic will be required. Let assume I am giving one more example. If I am connecting one more cable with PC number 1 to PC number 3, so the signal will pass from PC number 1 to PC number 2 and PC number 1 to PC number 3 also. So there could be a problem of traffic jam. So such type of arrangement we will not make in ring topology. So it means that there could not be any type of traffic. And this is very cheaper to install any electronic devices. It is not too much costly to make such type of arrangement. But this type of topology also have some their disadvantage. First one is what? Let assume if any wire from this network is being crashed or being disturbed, so it means that whole network will be disturbed, means no any system will work into their network. And second, if I want to attach a new electronic device, just assume between this PC number 1 to PC number 2, so I need one more system here and I have to connect with this. Firstly, I have to remove these connections with PC number 1 to PC number 2 and then we have to make a new connection with PC number, let assume 6. So this could be a problem. So when we are attaching a new device to this network, at that time the whole network will be disturbed, and when it will be connected, then it will start their working again. And in this type of topology, one more thing is there. It means that if we are having any problem in anywhere in the network, then it will be very difficult to detect that fault or detect that problem. For example, if we are having any fault in this PC number 3rd, so it will not be easy to find that fault in this network where we are getting problem. So this could be disadvantage of this type of ring topology. Yes, so this is your fourth topology, that is called tree topology. And this is called tree topology because of this type of arrangement or pattern of electronic devices which are making any network are having tree type of structure. We can say that you can consider this diagram or you can consider this diagram. Both diagrams are here same. This diagram is just looking as a structure of tree, and this diagram is also a structure of tree but looking in a different form. Or we can say that tree topology is also a combination of ring topology and bus topology. Where? How? Because this is that I have discussed before, it is called a bus. This is called a bus. So if bus is used in this network, so it is called bus topology. And this type of structure that you are seeing here is a type of star-like structure. So it's a star topology. So both combined in a form. So this is a combination of star topology and ring topology. Or we can say that it's a group of number of star topologies. A tree topology is a group of number of star topologies. How many groups are there? 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. 3 star topologies are used inside a tree topology. And if we talk about the advantages of this such type of tree topology, so in this topology we are having here point-to-point connection with individual segments. Means if for example this system is not working properly, we can remove that system. If this system is not working properly, we can remove that system. So this type of one-to-one configuration is provided by such type of tree topology. This type of topology also supports different types of electronic devices we can attach in this topology. And what are now disadvantages of this topology? So first disadvantage is saying that if this main bus is being crashed, so the whole network will be crashed. If this cable will crash, that is a coaxial cable or bus, then whole network will be crashed or disturbed. Second, it is more difficult to configure such type of topology. We will have too much complexity while creating such type of topology. And one more thing, number of cables are required here. Number of cables will be required here that could be very costly. So such type of topology we have done, and we are coming to the next topology, that is mesh topology. Now next is fifth, that is your mesh topology. And as name explains, mesh means what? Just not in a particular way. So in this network we are having different types of cables, different types of electronic devices which are connected with any electronic devices. No any particular connections are here. If you want to connect a system to any system, other system, then we can connect directly, no, without any problem. So such type of arrangement is created for only distributed network. The main use of this type of network is to create a distributed network, and this type of networking also excellent for long distance networking. If you want to make a network for a long distance, we want to cover a long distance, so we can have such type of networking skill, that is called mesh topology. Now the advantages, if I say to you all, in this type of topology, each system or each node have their personal data into their system only. No need to have any other server or other computer connections to provide information or to take any information. That a particular system, any system will have their personal data into their personal system. This type of topology also provides security for data or security for your account. If I talk about this particular system, this system will have their data into their own hard disk and will have their security password and username or account, anything into their system only. No need to have any permission to any other system. In this topology, if any fault is coming, at that time it will be very easy to detect that particular fault. If you are getting a fault in this system, then this system's connections with other system will not work properly, so we can detect easily. Now if you talk about disadvantages of this chapter, of this topology, at that time more and more cabling are required for such type of topology, because you can see here number of wires are here, number of coaxial cables are here that are very costly, so we can have too much expense when we are creating such type of network. Now your topologies topic is completed, and next topic will start in our next video.